In an attempt to make our hair system look as natural as possible, we offer base material for both lace and skin in a variety of color. This includes flesh, light brown, brown, and black. When customizing your hair system, we recommend selecting the base material according to your own complexion, as choosing the wrong base material can make your hair system appear less undetectable and realistic. Speaking from past experiences assisting our customers, the flesh color works for the very most of our customers with a fairly light complexion, while the rest of the colors are occasionally chosen by customers with darker complexions. As a general rule, it is always wise to choose a base material color that is slightly lighter than your skin color. If you don't choose, your system base will be made in flesh color by default. In case you are not sure about which color to go for, please reach for our customer service team with a photo that reflects your true complexion for advice. Thanks for watching.